Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious salmon lasagna. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect dish every time. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including about 1 pound of salmon, 12 lasagna noodles, and creamy ricotta. Then, we'll prepare a rich bechamel sauce, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, we'll cook the salmon and noodles to perfection, getting them ready for assembly. First, let's prepare our key components. You'll want to poach or bake about 1 pound of fresh salmon until it's tender and easily flakes with a fork. Next, cook 12 lasagna noodles al dente, following the package instructions, then drain and cool them to prevent sticking. For the bechamel, melt 4 tablespoons of butter, whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour, and gradually add 2 cups of milk, stirring until thickened and smooth. This creamy sauce is essential. Now, let's assemble our lasagna. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your bechamel sauce in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, carefully arrange 3 cooked lasagna noodles over the sauce, ensuring they slightly overlap. Then, generously top this layer with your flaked salmon, dollops of creamy ricotta cheese, and a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. Repeat these layers 2 more times, finishing with a final layer of noodles and bechamel. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the lasagna for a total of 25 minutes. For the first 15 minutes, cover the dish loosely with aluminum foil to prevent the top from browning too quickly. Then, remove the foil for the remaining 10 minutes to achieve a golden brown crust. Once baked, let the lasagna rest for 10 minutes before slicing into 8 generous portions. Enjoy your homemade salmon lasagna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.